would like to show you all the messages which we have sent you on a computer, which you are aware of that.
You've sent me what?
We have sent you a message on a computer, right? But we haven't received any response from your side. So can you be in front of the computer now?
Yeah, how you sent the message?
Sir, we have sent you offline message on a computer which directly goes to your administrative account. Okay? This is a very secure message which is directly sent by Microsoft to your computer just to inform you about the problem. So can you be in front of the computer, sir?
Yeah, where do I find the messages?
On your administrative account, sir.
How do I get to that?
Yes. So if you be in front of the computer, I can show you the message, sir.
Right, yeah, it's just starting up.
Okay, I'm holding the line for you.
Okay, yeah, it started now.
Okay, so are you so the computer is on now?
It is, yeah.
So are you in a normal desktop page where you can see your regular icons?
I can, yes.
Okay, now I want to see on the same screen, you see on the extreme left hand side, bottom corner, can you see there is a start menu of Microsoft logo?
Where's that?
On the extreme left hand side, bottom corner of the computer screen, can you see there is a 4-flagged icon, a start menu?
No. It's Windows 11. I think they moved everything around. Oh, is it that one? It's towards the middle now, yeah? Okay, yeah, it says start.
Yes, right next to that, what can you see? Right next to that?
Like a little magnifying glass thing.
Yes, you need to type in there. You need to type in your E as an echo.
E as in echo.
Can you see in that panel, sir? Can you see the letter E?
I can, yeah.
Yes, you need to start typing your V as in Victoria.
Yeah.
E as in echo again.
Okay.
N as in November.
Okay.
T as in Tango.
Right.
Now your computer will give you the options. What is the first option?
It says event, and there's like a viewer that's sort of all grey. It's not like the rest of it. That's all it says.
Okay, you clear that. Run.
Clear it, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now you see on your computer keyboard, sir, from where you used to type. You see on your computer keyboard on the extreme left hand side bottom corner, can you see there is a CTRL control key?
Yeah, there is, yeah.
Right next to the CTRL, which key can you see?
It's an FN key.
I'm sorry?
FN key.
Right next to FN, can you see there is a 4-flagged key, a Microsoft logo key?
Yeah, I can, yeah.
You need to hold and press that Windows key with one finger.
Right.
Hold it down. We don't release it. At the same time, press the letter R. R as in Romeo.
Okay, yeah, there's a box that says run. Type the name of a program, folder, document or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. And then it says open, and there's a long box.
Perfect, sir. Now you see in that box there is an open. Right next to open there is a panel where you can type.
That's right, yeah.
That panel is empty?
It's empty. Yes, it's empty.
You need to type in there E as in echo.
Yeah.
V as in Victoria.
Yeah.
E as in echo again.
Yeah.
N as in November.
Yeah.
T as in Tango.
Yeah.
V as in Victoria.
Right.
W as in Whiskey.
Right.
R as in Romeo.
Right.
What you have typed in so far, sir, can you read out to me?
Event VWR.
Perfect, sir. Now you see below that, you will see 3 options, OK, cancel and browse. Give a click on OK.
Okay, yeah.
Now what's come up on the computer screen, sir?
Nothing yet. Oh,
it's loading.
Yeah. Event viewer.
Correct.
Event viewer.
Now you see on the left hand side top, you will see the first option says event viewer in the bracket local. Can you see that?
That's right, yeah.
Below that, can you see custom views?
I can, yes.
Give a single click on custom views.
Right.
What can
Nothing
you see
yet.
in the middle?
Nothing yet. Nothing yet.
Loading.
No, it's
Loading.
still white. Still nothing.
Did they give a single
Oh,
website
it's
or
coming
custom
out.
use?
Administrative events. Critical
Correct.
error.
Now give a double click on administrative events.
Okay, yeah. Right, there's a box come up with yellow and red things, warnings and errors.
Yes. This is the method which I was talking about, sir. So now do you have any idea, sir, why your computer is showing you these messages?
Where's the messages that you sent me in here?
Sir, can you see all this error, warning?
Yeah, there's more warnings and errors.
Yes.
But you said that's
These are the messages which warning messages which Microsoft will send you in a computer to notify you about the problem.
Which ones are they, so I can read them? Is it the warnings that you've sent?
Yes.
Oh, let's click on that then.
Hello?
Warning.
Use all the errors and warnings.
Yeah, it just says the application specific permission settings do not grant local activation permission for the CLM server application with CLSID
these are all the errors and warnings.
Sorry?
Right? These are all the errors and warnings that we are talking about, sir.
But is this what you sent me?
Yes. So if you just look at the top, sir, there is number of events.
Yeah, but I want to read what it says. I can't understand. If you sent me these warnings, how am I supposed to understand what they say?
Yes. So let me explain. These are all the errors and warnings that are there on the computer.
Right. That you've sent.
Yes. No, whenever there are some illegal hackers who are trying to get into your computer, these are the error messages that are automatically generated and they are being sent directly to your computer. Right?
So you haven't sent them then?
Yes, I beg your pardon?
Have you sent these messages?
Yeah, no, your computer have sent it to Microsoft, sir.
But you were saying that you've sent me some messages, some notifications or something.
I know.
And how can I read them? I asked you where I can read them and you sent me here.
Yes, listen to me. There are two types of things on your screen right now.
Yeah.
Warnings which are on yellow color, errors which are on red color.
That's right, yeah.
Errors are the messages which is been generated on your computer whenever these hackers they attack it, and they are sent to us, Microsoft. And in return we sent you the warning which is on yellow color.
Yeah, but I can't read what it don't make sense what it says.
Exactly. That means, sir, that these hackers have blocked the access.
But how am I supposed to read it if I don't understand it?
Yeah, you don't understand it because those hackers have not decided. They have blocked the gateway so that you cannot read the messages. They have blocked it.
Well, you haven't sent me any messages then, have you, if I can't read them?
Those are the messages that we have sent, but those hackers have blocked it, sir. That is why we gave you call ourselves, and that is why we asked you to look at those messages.
Well,
because you are not being able to see those messages by yourself. We have called you personally, and we showed you the messages.
Well, I don't understand them. What do they mean?
I just told you, sir. Those error messages means that somebody is using your computer.
But how do I know that them messages are there? You've sent me warnings, and I can't read them. So how am I supposed to know they're there?
So why do you think there will be errors on a normal functioning computer?
Well,
these are nothing but those hacking activities which are there on the computer.
So, but you said you sent some of those.
Yes, sir. Didn't you see the warning on your screen?
Yeah, there's a lot of warnings, but you said you sent all of them, and
yes.
But they go back ages, and how am I supposed to know that there's warnings there if I can't read them?
Yes, because
why don't you send me an email?
Laura,
you could have sent me an email and said, oh, you've got some.
Those hackers, they have already blocked us from your email. You are no longer affiliated or associated with Microsoft because those hackers have blocked it. So we cannot send you the email.
So I have blocked it.
Hackers, they attack on computer. The first thing they get down is email. They take over your email address. And then they block us. They block the Microsoft from your email.
Well, my email's working all right because I've used it this morning.
Sir, your email will work, but we cannot send you the message on your email.
Oh, they blocked you. They blocked Microsoft, you mean?
Yes.
Oh, right.
Microsoft.
Cool, you're not very good at security then if people can block you, are you?
Sir.
No wonder we get so many updates.
Everybody, sir, there is a thing called... Sir, there is a thing called data protection policy. You know that, correct?
Right, yeah.
We have limited access to all your belongings, all your details.
Yeah, but surely you should be able to stop hackers getting into your system.
That is why we called you. That is why we called you to remove those hackers, to stop this.
No, but you should be removing them from your end.
If I could do that, why would I call you, sir?
Well, but
there is a thing called data protection policy.
If you're Microsoft,
the United Kingdom.
If you're Microsoft, you should be able to stop these sort of things, shouldn't you?
You that, sir, you don't understand, sir.
I do.
To be blocked.
I get all sorts of updates, to security updates and what have you from Microsoft. So why can't you stop them? If you know all about them, why can't you stop them your end?
If you are sick, do you ask your wife to go to the hospital, or you go to the hospital yourself?
I don't go to the hospital.
No. If you are sick, do you go to the hospital, or do you send your wife to the hospital?
If she's sick, I send her.
No. If you are sick, who do you send?
Well, of course I go myself. I don't send anybody. I go myself.
Exactly. Just like if you are sick, you will go to the hospital. Similarly, if your computer has been hacked, it should be done from your computer.
Why? If I go to the hospital, the doctor.
You tell me one thing. Do you want to remove these hackers or not?
Well, I do, obviously, but I can't understand why you said I've got messages and then I can't see them. That's the first thing you
saw that right now, didn't you?
I didn't see anything because I couldn't read anything.
I didn't see anything. I want to read the message.
You know, that's what you said to start off with. You said you've sent me notifications.
Yes, I have sent you, and you have read that, sir.
All I asked you was how I could see them because I've never seen them.
If you don't want to do that, if you don't want to verify, and if you don't want to go ahead and delete the computer hackers, what we can do is you come down to Reading. We'll talk there. Okay?
Well, get on with it then. I
will just block the computer now. You come down to Reading and we'll have a nice word, and I'll explain everything to you.
What do I want to come down to Reading for? It's a shithole.
If you don't want a computer, don't come down to Reading.
Well, get on with it. What have I got to do then?
You don't want to come?
I'm not coming to Reading. No, it's Christmas now. I haven't come down to Reading.
Then forget about the computer, sir. We are blocking it.
Well, you can't block it.
I am transferring this line to the blocking department.
Well, you talk all right then. Get on with it then. Transfer it to the blocking department. Do you know where I am?
Sir, what is the main concern that you are having? You have already seen the messages, right?
I haven't seen any. Don't you understand? I haven't seen any. All I want to know now is how to get rid of the hackers.
Yes, that is the only reason Microsoft is giving you a call, right?
So what are we going to do then? How are we going to do it?
Yes, that's the only reason I am here to call you.
Right, so how are we going to do it then?
Yes, sir, do you know how to close this page?
Yes, I've closed it. Yes, it's closed, yeah.
Close this page, come back to your normal desktop page, okay?
I have done, yes.
Sir, hello? Can you hear me now?
I can, yeah.
So, sir, I'm calling you from Microsoft regarding your computer.
Right, yeah.
So, who is the main user of the computer, sir? First of all, confirm me that.
Well, it's me.
Okay. So, sir, because for the past couple of days, we are receiving a lots of warning reports from your computer license ID, and that indicates that the computer you are using, it's automatically downloaded some junk and malicious files through the internet.
All right, yeah.
You have to remove those junk files for the security purpose, sir. And we already sent you several notifications into the computer regarding this problem. So have you checked those notifications, sir?
How would they have come? I don't think I've received any notifications that I can see.
Because you haven't checked it out, sir. So that is the reason you are not aware of the problem as well. And I'm calling you to help you out how you can check the reports and also how you can resolve the problem as
Okay then, yeah.
So for checking up the reports, you have to be in front of the computer. Okay?
Alright.
So I'm holding the line for you. Just take your time and be in front of the computer, sir.
Okay.
And I can show you the problems, okay?
Alright, yeah.
Okay, okay. So are you in front of the computer right now?
Yeah, I'm just switching it on. It's just starting up.
Okay, it's turning on. Okay, I'm holding the line. Just when you can see all of your icons, let me know.
Just log in. Hang on a minute, just log in.
Okay, okay. But you don't have to tell me.
No, I wouldn't do anyway.
Okay, okay.
Not even that, but my wife knows that. So, yeah, okay, I'm logged in. Yeah.
Right. So you are on your home screen, right?
Sorry.
You are on your home screen, right?
I am. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I'm on my home screen. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Now have a look on your keyboard.
Alright.
Can you see your left hand bottom corner, the CTRL control key?
Yeah, that's right. Don't press that.
Next to the no, don't have to press that. Next to the control key, which key do you see, sir?
FN key.
FN, perfect. And next to the FN?
Next to the FN key, there's like 4 little squares.
Right, the Windows key, right?
Oh yeah, it could be. Yeah, yeah. Never used that. Yeah.
Okay. So for checking up the reports, you have to press the Windows key along with the letter R as in Romeo. Press the Windows key with the letter R.
Okay.
Press it at the very same time.
Yeah, it says type the name of a program, folder, document or internet resource and we'll open it for you. And then there's open and there's a box with a little line in it.
Can you see a white narrow panel there? You can type something.
That's right, yeah, can you see that, yeah?
Right. So type over there, E as in echo.
Yeah.
V as in Victor.
Yeah.
Again, E as in echo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you typed that?
I have, yeah.
N as in Nancy.
Yeah, yeah.
T as in Tango.
T as in Tango.
V as in Victor.
V as in Victor.
W as in Whiskey.
W, yeah.
R as in Romeo.
R as in Romeo, yeah.
And below that, can you see there is an option OK?
Yeah, yeah.
Click on OK.
Yeah. Okay, clicked on it, yeah.
What can you see, sir?
There's like a little thing going round at the minute.
Sorry?
There's like a little circle going round and round at the minute. It's ever so, it's a bit slow, this computer. Yeah, it's got...
see anything new, let me know.
It's a white box at the minute with a load of writing on it. It's not doing anything.
What is it over there?
Administrative events.
Perfect. Now look at the left-hand side of that page.
Yeah.
Do you see there's the option called Custom Views?
Yeah.
The left-hand side top, there is an option called Custom Views.
Yeah, got that, yeah.
You need to give double left click on Custom Views, sir. Okay?
Right. Oh, what's it done there?
Double click on it.
Oh, it's something stupid happening.
Yep. Have you double clicked on Custom Views, sir?
It says administrative events, critical error and warning events from all administrative logs.
Sir, as you are the main administrator of this computer, that is the reason you need to give double left click on administrative events. Double click on it. The administrative events, the critical error and warnings. Double click on it.
Yeah.
Have you double clicked?
I've double clicked, yeah.
Now what can you see, sir?
Just a minute, hang on a minute. I've got my glasses on. Just a minute.
Yep.
It says. Oh no.
Yep.
Just a minute. It's gone small. What have I done? It says there's some warnings.
Yes. Do you see all the warnings and errors over there?
Yeah.
So, sir, have you got any idea what are all those warnings and errors in your computer?
Well, I'll have a look at one, see what it says. Warning.
Okay, sir. I'm telling you. At the
it
top,
says,
do you see the number of events?
Hang on, just reading this.
Number of events at the top of the page.
Yeah, I'm just reading this warning first.
All right.
Oh, that was silly. That was just something daft.
You should not click on the warnings, sir. It can
Why
harm your
not?
computer more.
I want to see what they are.
Sorry?
I want to see what they are.
Sir, you need to be near to your phone. I cannot hear you properly.
Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Well, just a minute. I'll have to, because I'm a bit away from. Just a minute. Let me just move things around a bit so I can get a bit closer to this.
All right.
I can't see the screen without. I can't hold the phone. So.
Okay. You can put me back on speaker then.
It's back on speaker, but hang on a minute. It's just okay. Yeah, it says how many events?
Yes, at the top, do you see the number of events?
Yeah, 96.
So that is number of warning and error files. How many times the hackers are trying to get into your computer without your knowledge?
Well, how can that? I've got antivirus on the computer, and
I understand.
I've got a firewall and all sorts. So how can they get into this to do this?
Let me tell you that. Sir, the antivirus which you got, that is protecting your computer only from the viruses, because antivirus can protect the system from the viruses, not from any hackers, because it is not any anti-hacking software. The antivirus and anti-hacking software got a different job profile. And sir, the firewall which you are getting for the protection, it is protecting, but these junk files are too harmful. It can be with that, without any hacking protection file, you cannot get rid of all the things. That's why we are calling you up to let you know, so you can remove all the things from the computer, and you can use your computer safe and securely.
Can I just let me just say something though?
Yeah.
I've just looked at some of the timings of some of these aren't even when I've been on the internet. I didn't even have the router on yesterday at all, but they were. But they're still. How they got through if my router's not on?
Okay, let me explain it to you, sir. As I told you at the beginning, that some unauthorized persons from different IP locations, they are using your computer address. That is the reason you can see the date and time of the error warning files when you were maybe not in your computer, but still it's getting the warning and errors on it, right?
Well, they can't get to my computer if the internet's not on. How can they get through to my computer if the internet's not on?
So let me tell you, let me explain it to you. So if they got into your computer, if they hack your license ID number, using that license ID number, they can create any clone system and they can use that with your name and with your IP address there. In that case, they don't even need your system to use your ID.
I don't think they can. I think if my computer's off or my internet's not on, they can't get to my computer. How can they? That's like people getting through my front door when the door's shut.
Error warnings here, you tell me then. Then what do you say? What are all those error warnings are here?
Well, they're not. They didn't happen when the internet was on, because I didn't have it on all day yesterday because we was out the house.
Sir, all I can say to you, for your safety and security, you need to remove each and every error warning from it, so you can run the computer in a safe and secure way. I'm not selling you anything. It's not any sales or telemarketing call. As we are the service provider of your computer, that's why we we are helping you to use the computer in a safe and secure way. That's all.
Well, how do we get rid of them then? Are you going to tell me how to do it? I don't mind going through it here and doing it here.
I will help you to do that. At first, either close the window and come back to your home screen where you can see the icons. So I can help you to be connected with the secure server of Microsoft, and our server can help you to remove all the files